YouTube family. Hope you are doing well. I'm doing absolutely fine. So, as you guys can see, I have these Italian babies in front of me, and this is from the house of Acerbees. This is basically an Italian company which was launched in 1973, and they are hardcore into enduro and motocross boots. That is. So, as you can see, the first thing that comes to my mind is they are very lightweight, and I think they must be sub 1.5 kgs, which is again a very good thing for motocross boots, because the boots that I have seen used to be very heavy, but this in particular is very light. So that is a great thing by Acerbees. And obviously we have 4 levels of attachments here, wherein we have these 4 levels, which obviously are, you can adjust it as per your feet size or your leg size. That is, these are adjustable here. And basically these are level 2, that is, it is level 2 protection that you get in this. And I'll just show you the level 2 marking inside the boot. So obviously this is a size 42, and you see the level 2 marking here, CE certification with the level 2 safety marking. And moving on to the boots, they look pretty funky to me. If you see, you get like around 5 colors. Here you can see 3 colors. Obviously there are 2 more colors that are missing, but those should be available. You can buy them online. Here we get this Velcro attachment here. Obviously you have these kind of adjustment here, wherein you have to close this and then put the Velcro and obviously put in this. So these adjustable straps are also pretty nice, and the fun part is you can actually mix and match these straps. You can put in different colored straps. If you're really into colors, you can maybe match a yellow or a blue or a green, or a fluorescent with your boots. So that is obviously possible with these Acerbees. And the straps are also pretty sturdy. They seem to be of good quality. And you get inserts, plastic inserts in this, wherein if there's an impact, so there's a movement, and wherein there would be an absorption of that impact, and then again it would come back to its own place, that is. And talking about the sole is pretty nice. Obviously these are not meant for road. These are actually meant for hardcore off-roading. So if you're on the hills or if you're on the mountains, so these are the ones. And obviously there is no too much of movement here. They have to be pretty stiff, because if there is movement, then your safety is compromised. So we don't want to do that with these kind of boots. So they are pretty sturdy, but I think what I'll do is I'll just wear them and show you guys how they are and how I feel after wearing them. So sizing of these boots, you have a wide variety, right from Euro 39 to a Euro 47. So you don't have any kind of size issues that I've seen. You have many size issues with other brands, but here with Acerbees cater to a complete variety of feet, that is. So you can obviously book these online. I'll leave the link in the description box. Obviously you all can go there and book yours now. And the deliveries would be in mid-December. That is when the actual stock is going to move in. And these are priced for around 18K approximately. And for this price point, I think these Italian beauties are definitely the deal. So that's it, guys. That's it from the Acerbees family and these motocross boots. It's I really dig these boots because they look really nice, and they obviously have that kind of safety provided too. So I would like to end this video here. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you all love this video, and we have one more video coming in of the ADV boots from Acerbees too. To hang on and see that video too. Do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is BikerDadLife. There's an extra in between and there's no space in between. So hit me up there, because all my updates come there first, and then it comes here on YouTube. Also do subscribe, because I'm coming up with such great reviews of such great products. I'm coming up with great reviews of motorcycles, of scooters, and a lot of new things. So don't forget to subscribe me. So that's it. I would be signing off here. Take care. Be safe. Bye bye.